Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we'll see how to make nutritious healthy granola. First, let's grind the almond, walnuts, dates and raisins into a coarse texture. I'm adding half a cup of almonds, half a cup of walnuts, half a cup of dates and half a cup of raisins. The dates and raisins will give sweetness to the granola. Look at the texture. This is what we need. Now it's done. Take 4 cups of old-fashioned rolled oats in a large bowl. Add chia seed, 3 tablespoons of chia seed, 3 tablespoons of hemp seed, and give it a good mix. I am adding the almond, walnut, dates and raisin mixture. I'm giving it a good mix. Now add the quarter cup of brown sugar, quarter cup of honey, give it a good mix. And I'm adding 2 tablespoons of melted butter. And give it a toss. Now add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon and add half a teaspoon of salt and give a good toss. Make sure everything is evenly coated and it is ready to bake. Set the oven to 325°F. Take a sheet pan and I'm using an aluminum foil to coat. Instead of aluminum foil, you can use the butter or oil to coat the pan. Pour the granola mixture onto the sheet pan and spread it evenly. Bake the granola for 20 to 25 minutes. The time differs with oven. After 12 minutes of baking, give granola a mix. The granola will brown unevenly. It browns faster in the corners, around the corner area. Bake again for 12 minutes. Once it's done, give a mix and let it rest till it cool down. Look at the color. It is crispy and delicious. You can have it with milk or you can enjoy it with some yogurt. It tastes so good and it is healthy. Thank you for watching. See you all soon with yet another recipe. Until then, bye from Tasty and Healthy Cooking. Bye.